Hello, TSM Hub family. Welcome back to the Stock Mantra Hub podcast, where we turn trading into financial freedom one episode at a time. And today we are talking about something that might sound crazy to some of you, especially if you love those action packed trading days, the two trades per day rule. Now, I know some of you are probably thinking just two trades. Is this a trading podcast or a lesson of patience? But trust me, there's some serious magic in doing less. In fact, sticking to two quality trades per day might be the best decision you will make this year. So let's dive in. Why two trades? All right. First things first. Why we are talking about limiting ourselves to two trades only a day? Let me give you a simple analogy. Think of trading like fishing. If you cast your line all over the lake running back and forth frantically, you might catch a few small fish here and there, but you will also be exhausted yourself and scare away the big ones. But if you pick your spot carefully, stay patient, and wait for the right moment, you are more likely to land that big catch. Just like in fishing, quality over quantity is the game. When you stick to two trades a day, you are forced to be selective, to wait for the best setup and to go in with a solid plan instead of just reacting to every market movement. So what are the benefits of limiting trades? Let's talk benefits here. Limiting yourself to two trades does three powerful things. It's keep you disciplined, helps you avoid emotional over trading, and ultimately improves your win rate. Think of it like going to a buffet. If you start with everything on your plate, you won't enjoy any one thing fully. But if you just pick just a couple of favorite dishes and savor them, you will leave feeling satisfied and not stuffed. And just like you don't want to end a buffet needing a nap, you don't want to end your trading day completely drained. Limiting trades is just like savoring only the best trades of the market menu. The psychological edge. Let's talk about the psychology here because we all know that trading is mostly mental, where you are only allowed to take two trades a day. You automatically start looking for the very best. You will find yourself asking questions like, is this really worth one of my two trades? You become more focused, more careful. Ultimately, you start making better decisions. And trust me, the market loves to tempt you. Just when you are comfortable with two trades, you will see another opportunity that looks irresistible. This is where the discipline kicks in. Remind yourself, just because something flashing on the screen doesn't mean it's a good trade. In fact, let me share a little secret with you. Most experienced traders don't regret the trades they didn't take. They regret the ones they shouldn't have taken. Sticking to two trades a day keeps you from making those I should have waited mistakes, right? So practical tips on how you can take two trades a day. So here are some of the few tips. First, plan in advance. Before the market even opens, identify potential setups. Know which trades you should consider worthy of a trades. Like if it's a long position or a short position, or whether market is trending in the upside or downside direction. To think all those things and plan accordingly. Set alerts. Don't feel like you need to stare at the screen all day. Set alerts at your label. When the alert triggers, you can assess its worth. If not, move on. This helps save time and, let's be honest, keep you from getting sucked into the endless chart watching. So I use TradingView the same, and you can get the link in the description below, and you can open their account and you can create all your endless alerts so that when the particular label comes, you get a message on your app or on email, and it will help you not to keep watching these charts all the time. Third, track your progress. This one's important. Keep a journal of how you feel at the end of each day. If you're finding you feel more confidence and less stress, congrats, you are winning the psychological game too. So keep track of your progress. Okay. So remember, this two trade rule isn't about limiting your potential. It's about maximizing it. It's like saying, I only want to play my best game, not every game. Now I want to challenge you all here in this TSM Hub community to try this for a week and stick to two trades a day and see what happens. I bet you will feel calmer, more in control, and maybe even more profitable. You can share your results with us in our Telegram, or you can comment down below this podcast, or if you are listening on this on YouTube, you can definitely comment down below. And if you are ready for this challenge, comment down below that I am in, and this shows that you are taking the steps in the right direction into the world of stock market. And remember, this doesn't mean if you skip a trade, you can stack up three the next day. This isn't a rollover plan. It's a decision, like it's a discipline plan. Only 2 trades a day, no carry forward for the next day. All right, Jason family, let's wrap this up. The 2 trades per day rule is all about choosing quality over quantity, staying focused, and keeping your emotions in check. The next time you are tempted to overtrade, remember, just because you can't just because you can doesn't mean you should. Stick to 2 trades, trade smart, and watch the power of patience work in your favor. Today, in my Telegram community, I have mentioned like how I traded two particular trades and that ended in a loss. And I just took one of the recovery trade and I just break even and just close the system and went away. And that particular recovery trade could have made me twice of the money which I have lost in the first 2 trade, but I didn't took that. So there are some discipline rules which we'll be talking in the TSM in the future, but definitely this is what you need to follow if you want to become a calm, composed, and a quality trader. So thank you for tuning into today's episode of the Stock Mantra Hub podcast. Try with the 2 trades rule, keep your focus sharp, and always happy trading. Until next time, let's keep growing, keep learning, and keep building the dream together. If today's episode gave you some insight, so share with your fellow traders or your friends who might be taking few too many trades these days. And if you haven't joined the TS Hub community yet, what are you waiting for? Let's trade smarter together. Thank you and have a great day.